The overall goal of these procedures is to evaluate the specificity and effectiveness of antibody conjugates for accumulating inside target cells and tumors during the initial development stages so that they can ultimately be used in the clinic.
This method can help answer key questions on the antibody-conjugate fields, such as the efficiency of nuclear localization and the overall intracellular accumulation.
An advantage of this technique is that via PET imaging, researchers can assess the effectiveness and selectivity of candidate antibody conjugates.
The implications of these techniques extend towards therapy and diagnosis of cancer because ineffective tumor cell accumulation is a major limitation with these applications for antibody conjugates.
After synthesizing a cholic acid nuclear localization sequence antibody conjugate according to the text protocol, treat target TF1A cells with 200 nanomolar 7G3 cholic acid NLS antibody conjugate. Include cells treated with modified control monoclonal antibodies. Incubate 5 × 10 to the 6 antigen-positive cells with the conjugates at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then remove the supernatant and use 1 milliliter of ice-cold PBS to wash the cells 3 times. Add fresh medium and incubate the cells at 37 degrees Celsius for an additional hour. Next, add 0.5 milliliters of PBS containing 0.